Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2016 Cadillac Escalade Luxury Collection. It comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, power sliding sunroof, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this two-tone black and brown interior with paneling couple of storage on the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Above it will be your seat memory, with the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood and chrome accents. You also get these black running boards here as well. Onto the seats, these power adjustable, heated leather seats, very comfortable. On the left side, you're going to have your heads-up display control, as well as lighting and 2- and 4-wheel drive. The left side of the steering wheel will be your voice recognition, forward collision alert, cruise control, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being your odometer cluster control and volume. So you can select through different sides of the screen. From your screen setup, you got your phone connectivity as well as your different sides there, and your gauges included. It's going to be push to start, classic column truck shifter, and onto the infotainment. So you got your Bluetooth connectivity as well as access to climate and navigation as well. You go across, you can also access your rear climate and camera. You got your power adjustable pedals, tour and sport selector. And as well as on the right side here, you got your glove box, park assist, lane keep assist, and trash can control. And bottom here, you got your volume as well as the climate. Pretty straightforward. Hit up that. You got a little secret compartment with the USB port. Just kind of nudge it down. And you got your CD player with 2 USB ports, extra center console storage, lots of room in there. Passenger side, same thing, power adjustable, black and brown, wood and chrome all the way across, speakers vents up top. And then here you can access your reading lamps as well as your powered lift gate and your power sliding sunroof. So you're gonna have these 22-inch wheels on Goodyear Eagle Touring tires. You got magnetic ride control with paint match mirror caps and chrome keyless entry door handles. Luggage side rail up top, deep tint rear glass in the back. Get the trailer hitch and the exhaust. Back here you can see the 3rd row bench seat. Fold it right down just like that, pretty easy, a lot more storage. In the 3rd row you got cup holders on each side as well as a 12-volt with vents up top. You got extra storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving more on to the rear interior, again more paneling storage next to the speaker. You got the built-in cup holders with the windows here. These captain seats with lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side. With rear heated seating and climate controls, you got extra storage down there with a 12-volt and an AC wall port. You got the lamps up top with the handles on the side. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2016 Cadillac Escalade Luxury Collection, equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as leather heated seats, power sliding sunroof, magnetic ride control, 22-inch wheels, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope to subscribe, and we hope to see you at the Chevy Farm very soon.